Hello everyone, welcome back to another short update video. As you may know from our TikTok account and from the last video, Abby's pregnant. We actually learned about it start of August. I think it was the 8th of August. We learned about it and we confirmed it on the 25th of August in Switzerland, just before we went to the Philippines, just to be sure. And yeah, it's gonna be a little baby girl that I'm really excited about. Abby would have liked the boy, I would have liked the girl, and I won. So our first baby will be a girl. I'm really happy. So yeah, if you calculate a bit, end of August, we know about it. It was 1.5 or 2 months. Abby was 2 months pregnant at that time. So if you calculate a bit, the baby is due any day now. Today is March 9th or 10th? 9th, I think. The earliest due date, according to the size and everything of the baby, was March 8th. So literally it can happen any day. We are prepared. We got a bag. We got a bag packed full of all the things we need. We got diapers, clothes, everything prepared, so we can just grab it and run off. We also went to Manila in January. You heard about that in the older video about the short update. We went to Manila to register our marriage. We had to get DFA copy, apostolize and everything, PSA, whatever you can think of, we had to get it. And we checked for cribs in Manila, and every big mall that you can think of in Manila we went to. Well, maybe not every, but we went to like 8 malls to check for cribs. More or less all the same. There were a few that really stand out, especially those in IKEA. The quality was really good. Sadly also the price was really high, and they're made of wood, which is good for stability, but it means they have to stay where we put them. We can't easily drop it and drag it and drag and drop it for the computer nerds. Yeah, we can't easily move it. Also on the plane, bringing it home to the province with a wooden crib, the packet will be like 20 kilos. It's not easy to carry, and even if we land in the airport, we still have about 3-4 hours travel until our house. But we went to the mall, to the landmark mall actually. That's where the crib is that we chose after a week of consideration, of checking and comparing. We went there, we want to buy this bed. And then beside this wooden crib there was a plastic crib with an aluminium frame. And long story short, we decided for the plastic crib, also because the sales people put so much effort into it, and we really like it. So it's really easy. You just pull one thing, it folds, you can carry it. It's so heavy you can carry it alone. It's great. You can move it simply. It has 2 levels for younger babies, and when they're a bit older you can also use it as a playpen. So really great. And you guys know Abby, she loves clothes, and we got a lot of clothes for the baby. We also got things for when we're in Switzerland, because my dad is also so excited. He went to co-workers that had babies, and he not saved us. He managed to get for us some clothes, some playing things for when our daughter's already bigger, when we are in Switzerland. We don't know yet when exactly we'll be there, but it's already prepared. Also the crib we will bring to Switzerland, and he will prepare the room and everything. So yeah, that's that. The baby will be a bit bigger than maybe a Filipino baby, I think. Last time we checked it was a bit low on the scale from the age, but I think now it's really like shoot up, so she's quite big and heavy, but we hope that Abby can give a natural birth. We'll see about that soon. And yeah, we're excited for it. We really can't wait. The name, we will do a name reveal later when she's here. Also because the name is still changing. It's not fixed yet, but We're 90% sure. The first name is sure, the second name is still changing a bit from time to time. Yeah, to check here in the Philippines, we had like 4 different doctors so far. Because there was always something that we didn't like that much about the doctor. The first doctor we went to was not that nice. It felt more like you're a product that they are working to check off, kind of thing. Then the second doctor, we really liked her, but the problem is she's in Bacolod, so that's a 3-hour drive. Just for a checkup, that's a lot. 3 hours one way. So that's a lot for a check. The doctor we have now, Abby knows her. The family was also with her before. So that's really nice. Just the problem is I am not allowed to go into the checkups. So I can't be there. Except with the one in Bacolod, I was allowed to. But also when we do the ultrasound. I don't know how it's for other Filipinos, but in Switzerland you can be there as a dad. Also for the delivery. In the Philippines, the dad is not allowed in the delivery room. I think it has to do with COVID that they changed this rule, but I am not allowed in the delivery room. So that's one more thing. And I was not allowed to do the ultrasound. Abby was not allowed to film it or make pictures, so all we saw was one picture of the baby without much of an explanation from the doctors, because they just do it like, take one picture, here you have it, and you have to pay to get it printed out. So when we were in Manila, we went all the way up to Quezon City to get a 4D ultrasound. Now 4D is like a 3D face, like, how would you say, like it's a 3D model that you can move around, so you can really see it clearly. I will attach a picture so you can see what I mean. There would also be 5D that you can see it in real time moving. We didn't do that, we just did the 4D, but I was allowed inside, so for the first time in January, I could see my baby in real time. And the baby didn't like it. But apparently this also happened in other ultrasound, because as soon as she feels like, oh, someone wants to hear my heartbeat, someone wants to check, she's just doing this. She's hiding. So we spent 3 hours at the doctor's office, get various, like we tried it multiple times, but she was always hiding. So we got 3 pictures. 10 would be included in the package. So the doctor said, just come back tomorrow, we'll try it again. So we went back again the next day. And the same thing happened. She didn't want to be seen. She noticed, like, they're trying to see me, so she's just hiding. But I saw her the first time and she yawned and it was so cute. And she's like, ah. It was so cute. We didn't get a picture of that, Sally, but we saw it. So I'm really excited about that. So far, it was quite a journey with the baby, for Abby as well. Especially at the start, she felt very nauseous. She had to throw up a lot of times, and now the baby's kicking a lot. Like, you can see it, you can feel it. For me it's great because I can feel it. I can't feel the baby inside of Abby, so I only feel it when she's kicking. For Abby, it's not so great because for her it's hurting. But her tummy is getting bigger. Like before, at the start, when she got a bit bigger, and you could only see the tummy after Abby ate, when she was like 4 months, 5 months pregnant, but now it's really big. And yeah, so every day it can happen, and we will let you guys know, of course, when the baby's here. The name, see her, and everything. Maybe, I don't know how much we show her, but we will see. And we are excited for it. We'll keep you up to date. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time.